Hello Sunshine! Naghahanap ka rin ba ng affordable house and lot inside Candelaria, Quezon? Welcome to Kalia. This is the state you need. Meron itong sukat na 60 square meter lot area and 53 square meter floor area. Sa house turnover, meron na itong tiles, partition, ceiling, painted walls, and carport. Meaning magdadala na lang kayo ng personal furnitures nyo dahil complete finish turnover na to. Kagandahan pa sa project na to, may mga CCTV camera and very accessible location. Malapit sa mga schools, hospitals, mall, and one ride going to Metro Manila, vice versa. By the way, pwede itong ipasok sa Pag-ibig Financing or Bank Financing. Sa ating mga cash payment buyers, makakatanggap po kayo ng 4% discount sa total contract price.